Hey, good to be with you. I'm Stuart from Rhino, and just want to have a look at the new dual fuel range of generators that LP Engineering and Rhino have. Really a great product. It comes combined in the box. So a couple of things: when you take your generator out the box, you're going to have to attach your wheels yourself, the handles, and then the little feet that keep it going. That's an easy fit. What else you get in the box is you get a standard cable for your gas, but what you need to do is cut the one that comes in there, because it's not South African approved, and put on a LPG gas regulator that you get at any decent store with a little hose clamp. That's all you'll need to buy extra, otherwise everything else is in the box. And you also get a 32 amp plug with a spanner, spark plug spanner. And so it's a normal generator, but the beauty of this is it uses dual fuel. You can use LPG gas as well as petrol. So let's quickly hook this thing up and you can have a look. So on this side, you'll find that you've got an LPG gas connector, and that's, this side goes on, so you'll connect that there. And then I'll tell you some wonderful things that this does do, and you don't have to stress about it, so nice and tight so that you don't have any leaking. And then a 9 kg gas bottle, we just connect that up here, and it still has a choke. It can use both petrol and gas, so sometimes people can't get petrol. Gas just runs cleaner, less pressure on your car because of the gas, and most people have got gas. You can use it out on the farm wherever you need to. So I'm going to switch this thing on and we'll go ahead and start it. So you've got your choke back here, so I'll put it on, your switch here, and let's start this thing. So you see there's a blue light that says the gas is running, and that's the beauty. You switch on the gas, change it automatically to petrol. You can then change the gas bottle, switch the gas on. Now they switch on the switch, hold it in for about 4 seconds. When you switch it off, it's got your 220 volt meter. You got your on and off, your plug for your 32 amp, or you got two normal plugs right there. And again, when you're switching off your generator, make sure your trip switch is off, and then you just switch it off. And again, that's the beauty of this machine. It prefers gas, as now can speak without shouting over the generator. And what's beautiful about this is that it prefers gas. Like you saw there, when I switched the gas off, it automatically finds the fuel. Obviously, if you don't have fuel, it's not going to do that. But once you've got fuel and you've changed your 9 kg bottle for another 9 kg, you just hold in the switch over for about 3-4 seconds, automatically switches over back to gas, and so you've got this dual fuel option, and everything's sorted out. You do have a fuel tap here, which obviously you'll need to make sure it's on. The beauty around just maintenance on this is make sure it's in a ventilated place, don't leave it out in the sun. Make sure your air filter is clean. You've got about 1 liter of oil in the engine. It doesn't come with oil. Oh, here's another nice little thing. The generator comes with a little block that just keeps the motor from bouncing around in transport. You'll see that that's there. Do take that off, please. And also, it will not be connected on the battery in transit because it runs the battery down. So take that off. You don't need that. Connect the positive on your battery and you're ready to go.